Okay, so before a student can use a QR code, they need to download the app either on their smartphone, iPad, iPhone. And this is a free app, so you can type it in on your search bar in the App Store and you type in QR Reader. And this way, the students can scan the QR code and will be able to participate in class when you use this into your classroom. Okay, so to start this tutorial, you go to Google and you type in www.qrstuff.com. And the first link right here is what you're going to be looking for. So you want to click on that. Okay, so once you get to the website, all this stuff up here you do not need because you do not need to pay for anything. All the stuff that you will need to implement this technology is for free. So on the left side you see data types, and these are all the data types that you can make QR codes for. One of the problems is you can't make a PDF a QR code only if it has a web URL address. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But you could do a plain text, YouTube, website, Google Maps, emails, Skype, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to start with the plain text, which is how teachers can incorporate literacy into the classroom. So a lot of teachers will put short answer questions or quick little questions for students to read and scan, and then they can answer it right away. So you press on plain text right here, and then you go to the content, and then this little text box shows up. So you can write whatever you want in the text box. Okay, so after this, you have your text in there, and over here you could change the color if you want of your QR code preview. And the more you write in the box, the smaller these little megapixels will be, but the less they will be bigger. So it gives you a nice preview of what your code will look like, and every code is different. And the output type, there's many different outputs. You could download, print, email. You could put it on things if you really loved your QR code. And yeah, so after you figured out what you want to press download QR code, and it will pop up like a nice little image, and you can copy and paste this into Word to make like a worksheet or to print out for your students or whatever you want to do. So it's very quick and easy, and if you wanted to do a QR code for a website, you would just type in the website, and then it would change the QR code. And when the kids scan it, the website will pop up automatically. So QR codes are really great because they are an instant time saver because you don't have to wait for the student to type in an email or a website address because they can just scan it and it pops up right away. So that's an awesome feature for it. But yeah, so that's how you do it, and this is the best site to make them, and it's really simple and easy.